Hey UK Lock Sport, it's Mech. How you all doing? I thought I'd do a quick video for you. I've got a master lock here. I was giving it brand new. Well, it's not been used, it's just been in storage. So number 3. This is a tough under fire bulletproof master lock by the sticker, so should be good, shouldn't it? Here's the key. These are what you buy from your DIY centres. All locked up. Let's see if this tough under fire bulletproof master lock's any good, shall we? Okay. Let's see, we'll pick it. It's open. Single pin picked. Now, I'm not really a very big raker, but I'm gonna have a go at raking it. You have to bear with me. I'm absolutely awful at raking. So pick's going in. That's open, raked. Now, just to show you how good this master lock brand really is, pick's going back in. Tension wrench is going back in. Locked up. I'm going to use the back of my pick, okay? I'm going to single pin pick it with the back of my lock pick. Open. Isn't that some bullshit? Alright, locked up again. I'm going to wiggle it open with my pick. Open, locked up, and then I'm going to try and bump it with the back of my pick again. So, hook's facing upwards. Now, this doesn't always work, but I'm going to try and get it on camera for you. Hook facing up. Reset. There you go. That does the same as a bump key. Now that is the master, absolutely piece of shit. Hope you like, guys. Oh, by the way, it's all riveted up still. It's not been taken apart in any way. Cheers, guys. If you like that and want to learn some skills, come and join us on uklocksport.co.uk. Cheers.